Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to log into your Snapchat account. So in order to log into your Snapchat account, you'll need to follow these steps. So what here you need to do is to log into your Snapchat account. You first of all need to go ahead and open up your Snapchat application. Make sure that you've already installed. Now then you want to click on the login button, and after which what you have to do is you want to go ahead and enter in your email address, username, or a phone number, and a password associated with your account. And as soon as you're done entering the following information, you will then be asked to confirm, and that's way you'll be able to log into your Snapchat account. And for some reason, if you're unable to log in, then it could be due to the security concern or maybe incorrect information, which you need to check that out. And that is how you'll be able to schedule tasks in Facebook. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.